saying the word white person in Shona, Swahili, Luganda, and Nyanja. How similar are they? So, to say the word white person in Shona is Murungu. Plural, Varungu. In Swahili, Muzungu. Plural, Wazungu. In Nyanja, Muzungu. Plural, Azungu. In Luganda, Umzungu. Plural, Abazungu. So, in Shona, we actually don't just use this word for white person, but also for a rich person, particularly a rich black person. Is this the same in other cultures? How do you feel about this? Because personally, I don't think it's right, because by doing this, we are idolizing white people and therefore saying that someone who's successful, someone who's rich, is a murungu or a white person. How do you feel about this?